Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as always I will just get to it. This is analysis and a feedback of my latest sketch off from this afternoon, and like the previous videos before, it's basically just a feedback for myself so that I know how to improve and go forward. So if there's anything that I'm going to say that you don't know what I'm talking about, please contact me and I will explain it. I have utilised good speed for all three sketches, along with observational and geometric methods. I am heavily using those methods at the moment to gain more foundational and fundamental art skills, which is proportions. So first sketch took 3 minutes, second one was 3 minutes, and the fourth one was 2 minutes 45. It is of the same reference photo, so I've tried, the purpose of like doing three in a row is so that you can try and gain more skills and actually capture it as best as possible. So the closest to the original references between these two, the girl's jaw was more that shape compared to that shape. However, there is variations of both pictures, sketches, that do show similar comparisons to the photo, but I am gaining more speed, more accuracy, and more proportions in my sketching, and I'm gaining more confidence as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with the progress so far, and stay tuned for more videos. If you're already subscribed, that's awesome, thank you very much, and if you've not, then give me a wee consideration and keep up to date with my art journey. Thanks guys!